Good day, everyone. Today, with the Group 1, we'll present to you a virtual role play that deals in a hospital setting with the application of nursing informatics. One day, Mr. and Mrs. Abad visits Florencia Medical Center for the prenatal checkup of Mrs. Abad.
Hello, nurse. Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga din, sir. Ano po kailangan nila?
Nandito po kami ngayon para po magpa-confirm tungkol po sa aming referral appointment today kay Doc. Salamat po.
Ano po apelyido nila?
Abad, ma'am.
Okay, sir, ma'am. Meron po kayong appointment today. Proceed na po kayo sa OB ward.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your email address po, ma'am?
rominairishmatutino@gmail.com, ma'am.
Your surname po, ma'am?
Abad, ma'am.
Given name po, ma'am?
Romina, ma'am.
Middle name, ma'am?
Matutino, ma'am.
Age po?
28, ma'am.
Birth date po?
March 1, 1994, ma'am.
Religion po?
Aglipayan, ma'am.
Address niyo po, ma'am?
Barangay 13, Baay, Batak, Ilocos Norte, ma'am.
Contact number niyo po, ma'am?
0909-123-4567, ma'am.
Date of admission? March 7, 2022. Time of admission? 8 o'clock a.m. Status niyo po, ma'am?
Married, ma'am.
Ma'am, sa last menstrual period niyo po?
October 17, 2021, ma'am.
Age of gestation in weeks? 20. Expected date of confinement? July 24, 2022.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I will now assess your vital signs. Temperature is 35.5 degrees Celsius. Pulse rate, 88 beats per minute. Respiration rate, 17 breaths per minute. And for blood pressure, 120/90 millimeters of mercury.
So review lang po natin. Your email rominairis@gmail.com. Surname, Abad. Given name, Romina. Middle name, Matutino. Your age, 28. Birth date, March 1, 1994. Religion, Aglipayan. Address, Barangay 13, Baay, Batak, Ilocos Norte. Contact number, 0909-1234567. Date of admission, March 7, 2022. Time of admission, 8 a.m. Status, married. Last menstrual period, October 17, 2021. Age of gestation, 20 weeks. Expected date of confinement, July 24, 2022. Your vital signs, ma'am, body temperature, 35.5. For pulse rate, 88 beats per minute. Respiratory rate, 17 breaths per minute. And your blood pressure, 120/90 millimeters of mercury. So ngayon po, tatanungin ko lang po about sa past health history nyo.
Okay po, ma'am.
Nagkaroon na po ba kayo ng surgeries?
Hindi pa po, ma'am.
How about po sa accidents?
Hindi po, ma'am.
How about po sa allergies? Meron po ba kayong allergies sa regarding po sa food or medication po?
Wala po, ma'am.
How about po sa childhood illnesses? Nagkaroon na po ba kayo ng mumps, measles, or chickenpox po?
Opo.
Okay po. So, ma'am, umiinom po ba kayo ngayon?
Hindi po, ma'am.
How about po sa paninigarilyo po?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Okay po, salamat. So, proceed na lang po kayo sa doctor's office.
Okay po. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Doc.
So, first pregnancy po ninyo dito, di ba?
Yes, Doc.
Okay. So, 20 weeks na po kayong pregnant. Today, ma'am, bibigyan ko lang po kayo ng iron supplement, which is ferrous fumarate at folic acid. milligrams po yung kukunin nyo, ha? Taken po per orem and once a day po before meal.
Yes, Doc.
Mas maganda po kung morning nyo po ite-take, ma'am, ha?
Okay, Doc. Thank you po.
Nurse Gia will assist you po for the measurement of fetal. Nurse Gia, paki-assist si Mrs. Abad.
Ngayon naman po, ma'am, dahil kayo ay nandito for prenatal check-up, kailangan ko din pong kunin yung fundic height, fetal position, presentation, and engagement. So, for your fetal position, ma'am, the position of the baby is cephalic. And for your fetal presentation naman po, it is LOA or left occiput anterior. And for your fetal engagement po, not yet engaged, ma'am, kasi wala pa po kayong nararamdaman.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.
Kailangan nyo na lang pong kunin yung niresetang vitamins ni Doc para kay Mrs.
Okay, ma'am.
Salamat po.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello po. Pa-confirm lang ako ng name para sa reseta ni Doc na gamot niyo.
Good morning, ma'am. Romina Abad po.
Okay, ma'am. So, niresetahan kayo ni Doc ng folic acid, 30 milligrams once a day per orem taken early in the morning before meal, and ferrous fumarate, 30 milligrams once a day per orem taken early in the morning before meal.
Yes, ma'am.
Ito na po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have witnessed how the nursing informatics make a significant impact in delivering the care of every patient effectively and efficiently. We hope that you enjoy our simple presentation. Thank you.